Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing, abundant day. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating the sun painting that is a part of my planetary ruler series. I forgot I think her name was Sayan, I recall. So yeah, I really love creating this piece, although I did have a lot of problems recording this entire piece because storage issues. So yeah, my favorite part of this piece, I have to say, is the rock in the background. I really love how detailed and how pretty it looks because I was just going with the flow with how it should be drawn. So that's what I did there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the process of this whole entire video. And also in this video, I'm going to be talking about a dream that I had, because I have my Naughties dream series where I tell you guys some of the very vivid and crazy dreams I have. So today's video is going to be about this dream where I was a fish. Yes, a fish. And the thing about it is, I had a fish tail but like a human body, but I wasn't a mermaid. And I don't know why I didn't just decide to be a mermaid, but whatever. I guess my dream self know what she doing. So the only reason why I was able to be a fish was because I was in this very dark black cave, and I saw this beautiful pearl inside a clam, and the clam was like very huge, and the pearl itself was very huge. It was a very beautiful color. It was gold with blue specks and purple specks and in it, and it was just so gorgeous and shiny. The clam had eyes, like human eyes on its back, so it was just kind of weird staring at it. So while I was discovering things in that dark ass cave, like the cave was super dark, I could not see a thing. Once I touched the pearl, I turned into a fish and was transported into the ocean. And like my physical body was back in that dark cave, but my other body was in the ocean, swimming around, having fun, all that goodness. So I don't know what happened. I kind of forgot about this part of the dream, but all of a sudden I was transported back into that very dark cave, and I started panicking. I was like, holy crap, it is super dark, I can't see nothing, I can't get out. And the pearl that I was touching, I dropped it. So I didn't know where the pearl was so I can get out of the cave as a fish instead of staying in that cave. So imagine just being in a dark cave and you don't know what you're touching. All you see is like dark blue rocks, because that's all you can see in the dark. And you're just stumbling through the dark trying to look at and trying to find like that pearl so you can try to touch the pearl and get out of there. That stuff was super crazy. Like, I was so scared. And the thing is, as I was walking, I found this factory. And let me tell you, that factory was so dirty. It was just so freaking dirty. Like, it was rats everywhere, and the rats came out of nowhere and started talking to me. I was like, no ma'am, no ma'am. So they started talking to me, and they showed me a way I can like contact people in order to get out. So I'm stuck in this abandoned factory. It is daylight, and I started to hit on the intercom, and I was like, I'm stuck in this factory, please come. And so while I'm sitting there, rats on my shoulders, y'all, there are rats sitting on my shoulders, because at this point I befriended them, because they're like, okay, so they're trying to get me out of here, I might as well just befriend them. So I befriended the rats. They chilling on my shoulder, and we just chilling. Next thing you know, big trucks, like tractors, like 4 of them, came rolling up on the construction site where the old factory was. And that's actually when I woke up from my dream. So I don't know if I was like saved, but I was really happy when I woke up from my dream. And that was basically it. I absolutely do not have any idea what that dream meant. All I know is the feeling I got when I was staring at that beautiful blue, purplish, yellowish pearl was just amazing. And then like going and like swimming through the water as a fish, just being super free, loved it. What do you guys think that dream meant? Like, how would you interpret that dream? I honestly don't know. I'm definitely gonna ask my deck what that dream meant, and this is just one of the dreams that I had over the course of a week, because before bed I always say 3 song verses, and one of the songs verses is to have like a I can't say this right, like dreams that make sense. Like if you need an answer to a question, you'll have like a really good dream about it. I forgot what it's called. I'm gonna put the name up on the screen once I go look in my notes section and remember the names. But yeah, it was that verse, and I read it every night for like 3 nights, and every single one of those nights I had a very vivid dream that pretty sure was trying to give me messages and all that good crap. So I'm definitely going to figure out what it means by reading my deck and talking to my deck, and also talking to my guides, because these dreams have been extremely vivid, extremely wild. So I'm like, okay, there's definitely a message to be, learnt in these dreams. So yeah, that's what I have to say about my dream. I would love to hear you guys' thoughts on it, and I also have, actually, let me know if you guys would like me to start a series on like the supernatural things I go through sometimes, because if you follow me on Twitter, you know that I am in the process of having another guide, because that guide is contacting me in different ways, and I'm keeping everybody updated on Twitter. So if you would like to know that story and how that's going, definitely let me know down below, because I can tell you that story as well, because it's kind of crazy. Like it's nothing malicious or anything like that, and that's the thing. Once you get into this journey, you will understand when stuff is malicious and when stuff's not, and this is not malicious, but some paranormal stuff has been happening. So I wanted to know if you guys would like a little story time on that as well. But yeah, I'm actually about to complete this piece. I really, like I said, love how she came out. I do wish that I went a little bit lighter on her hair. Like I wanted it to be more yellow than orange, and I think I went a little bit heavy-handed when I was doing the watercolor. But overall, I do like how it turns out, and I'm really loving how I'm creating these backgrounds and these characters in these beautiful places. So yeah, if you guys would like prints of her, it will be up on my site, and I will see you guys Friday. Have a wonderful, abundant day, guys. Bye.
Need to